Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mood for Food. Today I'm going to share the recipe of Mojito. There are different recipes for this drink, but the recipe I'm going to share is very easy and refreshing. Try it and you're gonna love it. And if you like my recipe, subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. For making this drink, first we are going to make our tang mixture. For that, take some water in a glass. Now, I'm going to add lemon flavored tang mixture. You can add any flavor of your choice. Here I am going to add 2 tablespoons of tang mixture. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, and then we are going to mix it. Now I'm going to keep my tang mixture aside, and in another glass I'm going to add 3 to 4 lemon cubes and some mint leaves. Now I'm going to muddle. Now I'm going to add the tang mixture. Mix. Now I am adding ice cubes. Some mint leaves in between. Now you can use soda water. Today I'm using Mountain Dew. You can use any other carbonated drink also. So we are going to pour Mountain Dew. Now we are going to mix it.